Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about the new 90% off clearance markdowns, plus I have an update to share with you all about the penny list. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Now, first of all, if you missed the new clearance markdown and penny list video, I did upload that on Saturday. So if you missed that, make sure that you go and check it out, because there are more items included in today's penny list than we are going to talk about in this video. So if you missed it, the link for that video is going to be in the pinned comment down below. So make sure that you go and check it out. Now, the first thing that I want to remind everybody about this penny list is that we do have more medications, first aid type items, and then we also have some food items. And with both of those categories, typically we have some surprise pennies that will pop up, so it's going to be very important that you have your notifications turned on and set them to all. Now, I'm recording this voiceover super late on Monday night, so I will post this first thing in the morning, and then if we have any surprise pennies, I will upload a second video for you all. So I do want to give you all a quick heads up on this week's penny list, because we do have several different Clover Valley trail mix that are included. So all of these will be a penny starting on Tuesday, August the 29th. So I went out and scoped out a couple of my local Dollar General stores, and I wanted to share with you all what I found, because we do have some Clover Valley trail mix that look almost identical. They have the exact same packaging and flavors of these trail mixes that are going to be a penny, except they are in larger bags. So it is very important that you pay attention to the sizes, match up the UPC, and scan it if you are not sure. Now, what I found at my store were mostly 24-ounce bags. There were a couple that were 6-ounce bags. There might have been an 8 and a 10-ounce bag as well. But again, just make sure that you scan if you are not sure. Now, I did look up and I did find a few of these 10-ounce bags, the specific ones with the same UPC code that are pennying out today on Tuesday. I did find those mixed in with these newer, larger bags, because like I said, they have the exact same packaging. They are almost identical. So like I always say, look high, look low, look everywhere you go, and make sure that you check through all those bags and check the size on them. All right, now next up, I wanted to remind everybody that we have the Purple Dot Home category going down to 90% off starting today on Tuesday, August the 29th. Now, there are hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of items included in this category. So a couple of quick things to note on this: you're going to want to look all over the store. We have everything from food storage containers, hangers, regular Comfort Bay pillows with the purple dot on them. We have rugs, we have bath towels, we have kitchen towels, we have a little bit of everything. Okay, so again, look high, look low, look everywhere you go. Now, another thing that I wanted to point out is that we do have a couple of themes going on with the Purple Dot categories. We have all of these, seaside designs, coastal designs, beachy type signs, and home decor items. So be on the lookout for all of those. Now, another thing that I wanted to mention that you guys may have noticed on the first couple of slides on those food storage containers, some of these purple dot tags look like red dot tags. I'm not quite sure what's up with that. I don't know if the ink just wears down over time, but be aware of that. If you see any red dot items, you might want to scan that as well. Now, also keep in mind that since these items are going down to 90% off, that means that they will be pennying out here very soon. So you might want to leave a few of those purple dot items behind. That way you can pick them up when they are a penny. Alright guys, so we are almost to the end of the video now, so I just wanted to pop back in for a real quick second and remind everybody to please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. It only takes a second and it makes a huge, huge difference in how my videos perform. So please hit that thumbs up button. Going into the store, grabbing all these pictures and the UPCs, and then coming home and making all these slides for these huge categories of items, it takes up so much time. So please help your girl out. Leave a thumbs up and a smile in the comment section down below. Now also, make sure that y'all stay tuned. Come back and check back in with my YouTube channel. I know that notifications have kind of been wonky here lately. They've been hit or miss. I'm not sure if it's because I've been uploading so many videos within a 24-hour period or what's going on. So make sure that you come back, check the YouTube channel out, and make sure that you're not missing out on any important information. Now, speaking of important information, I also want to give you all a quick heads up that I am going to be uploading an amazing video that you are not going to want to miss out on. We are going to be talking about everything going on with the P&G spin deals, 5 off 25s, 10 off 40s, 8 off 30s, gain coupons, the whole 9 yards. I have a lot of information that I have to share with you all, so make sure that y'all stay tuned for that. I'm going to have that video up later on today. So before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, good luck out there. Please come back and let me know if you score. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.